All right, guys, this winter was a mess. This is after it's melted a lot, and you can see all the ice on the road. No problems driving, but I did run over a big chunk of ice that cracked my splitter. It also helped crack and dry up my vinyl wrap on the roof that was already causing me problems. So I figured today we'd try to patch this. We'd try to peel the roof wrap now that it's warmed up, and then we'll order some replacements. All right, guys, welcome back. I know it's been like 5 months since I've uploaded anything, and I didn't want to bore you. I just grabbed some Quick-Seal from Walmart. I literally left the broken piece up under the large piece here and just kind of gooped it on really good and spread it out, sort of filled that hole, poured a little, spread a little out under it, and taped it off and sanded it so that once this is dry, you can take a little Plastidip, spray it, make it look halfway decent, but more than anything, just have a splitter on that's not going to rip off at highway speeds until the other one comes in. I felt like, you know, if you guys crack your splitter, this might be a good temporary fix until you can get another one. It's going to take a little over a week for me to get mine. So, yeah, like I said, it's bolted really good. So I put this this adhesive on. It's nice and good. It does not level very well. I could keep doing that and get it level, but this is literally just to hold it together for a week or so. So, you know, sanded it a little bit so the Plastidip would fit good. We're just going to do the regular black. The tape is painter's tape. I've sprayed it 1 or 2 coats already, just letting it dry. You can see pretty straightforward. It's not going to look brand new, but hopefully it looks okay for the next week and a half so I can go to car meets and not have a missing front end, and you know, I can drive at highway speeds and it doesn't go flying off and tear up the car. So this is after it's already dried. You can see it actually turned out really well. Is it perfect? Absolutely not. I actually like the color of the Plastidip on the splitter. It matches the Plastidip on the rear valance, the rear bumper of the car. I did that when I first got it. Again, you know, it's not smooth. It's not perfect, but this is a temporary fix, guys. So hopefully we'll get the same splitter in as a replacement, direct bolt on, so I can just unbolt these 6 bolts plus the center bolt and then put the new one on. But I think it turned out pretty good. Something I've done in the last 5 months since I've uploaded, guys, I added a little red pinstriping to this black fender striping. The fender striping was like, I don't know, $2 from Wish. The red pinstriping was, I think, $3.50 from AutoZone. So if you guys want to do the same thing, it's super easy. But let's get to this roof. It's very cracked. It's very dry and weathered, and it's just time to come off. Obviously this is speeded up because this takes literally forever. This is why you don't leave the roof wrap on longer than you should. It does dry out. It does crack. This was the first time I ever wrapped anything, was this roof. So this is actually the first time I'm unwrapping anything. So learning experience. I should have waited for a warmer day or should have used a heat gun. Didn't do either. Just set it out in the sun. And actually at this point, I'm fighting sunlight, trying to get it done before the sun goes down. And this was actually a 2-day process. I started on a Tuesday evening, got here, and realized I wasn't going to make it. I did a little bit more before the night was over. This was pretty much what I had done by the end of the night, but then the next day, Wednesday morning, got out, the sun was out, so it peeled a little better. So we're gonna peel the rest up now. You can see, I don't know, I like the carbon, but it dried out really quickly. This was not a name brand wrap. I actually found this wrap on Facebook Marketplace for like, I think I gave $12 for a roll of 5 by 8 foot 3D carbon. So, you know, very happy with it. All right, guys, so we finally got the roof done. I ran out of memory, so I lost a lot of that video, but it doesn't look bad. I'm already missing the roof, I've got to be honest. But we'll put another one on there. What do you guys think? Because this is sort of a gloss black. We could do, obviously, gloss black on this side. So we could do gloss black up here. We could do carbon again. But I was also thinking, because this is sort of a satin black, we could do like a satin as well. So I don't know. Let me know, guys. What do you think? Satin black, gloss black, throw the carbon back on, leave it silver. Yeah, I have no idea. Let me know in the comments. But yeah, I guess that's all for today. I did order another splitter. I ordered a winglet too for the back of the spoiler there. So when those come in, we'll pop them on. I definitely still have to lower this thing. Definitely cutting off the muffler at some point. But I don't know what I'm replacing it with. So waiting on that. So till then, I really need to cut my grass, but yeah, that's neither here nor there. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye. So I had some Avery satin wrap in my cart with that stuff. I pulled it out because I'm not sure if I want to do a satin black, a gloss black, or go back to the 4D carbon, guys. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. I asked on Instagram and everybody's saying satin black. Can't wait to get this stuff in. I wish it was April 28th already. When it comes in, we'll pop the new splitter on. We'll pop the winglet on and have a good day.